Let me show you how to clear the cache in Safari on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app, and then scroll down until you find Safari. Tap on it to open the settings for Safari. Once you're in Safari settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see the Advanced option. Tap on it, and then select Website Data at the top. This will display a list of all the website data stored on your device, including cookies and cached files. If you want to remove data for a specific site, you can swipe left on it and tap Delete. However, if you'd like to clear everything, there's an easier option. Go back to the main Safari settings and select Clear History and Website Data. You'll be given a few options here, including clearing all history, profiles, and closing all open tabs. Once you've made your selections, simply tap on Clear History at the bottom. This will remove all the cached data and cookies from Safari across all your devices, including your iPhone, iPad, and even your MacBook, as long as they're connected with the same Apple ID. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.